Hello, I'm Ebony, and today we are going deeper with our exploration of Tynker. Tynker is an app that teaches students the basics of coding and fosters computational thinking skills through engaging activities. In this tutorial, we'll take a deeper look into Tynker's options for student creation using code. If you are getting started with Tynker, please check out the Getting Started with Tynker tutorial for more support. Okay, let's create with Tynker. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Tynker app. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is sign into your Tynker account, but I've already done so. Once you have, the first thing you're going to see is the dashboard and the introductory courses. And this is where students start by solving puzzles and completing challenges as they learn those programming fundamentals. But today our focus is going to be on creating. So I'm going to go into the workshop. So in this workshop, this is where students start creating, and they get to apply those programming concepts that they learned in those introductory courses. As you can see here, there's a lot of content for kids to explore. They have the option to develop animations, games, music, and even tell some stories. So we're going to go into one of these projects just so we can see how they're set up and what options students have. So I'm going to go into this first one, and you'll see that you can choose a template, and then they have a little tutorial for you to go through. So once the students go through the tutorial, then they have the option to edit the code and add any other options they like through block code. So they add whatever they want, and then you'll see the characters at the top. You have the cow and the owl here. So they have these three dots they can press on and change any properties that they like to make this their own and to make it fit their story. If they like this, they can go in and save the project and continue to work on it at a later date. Another option within the workshop is as they get more and more, if they become more comfortable with coding, they can go in and create a project and start with a blank template. It just gives them one character. So once they go in here, they have a lot more options for that creativity piece. This is like the ultimate level of creativity. So they can go in, and if I tap on my coding symbols or programming symbols, I get in here to the coding part. So now they have the option again to add any other pieces of block code they want as they begin to create their story or their music or animation, whatever it may be. So if I tap on these three dots and go into properties, this is where I have the options to create my own content. So here they can import photos from their camera roll, they can draw their backgrounds or draw characters that they want to insert into their story, they can add sound. So as you can see, they have lots of options in this blank template. Then they also can have right here at the very end where they can do the new Robotics Controller. And once they go into this option here, they can add any device that you see here, the spheros, ollies, or even some drones. And I'm going to tap on the ollie. And they can program that using Tynker's code program. They can have the same options. They can go in, change code, add backgrounds, add their own content, draw, create characters, and connect to the device, just as they would have with the blank templates that they gave you. Now, once students are done, they can go back into their projects. They can choose the one that they finished, and if I want, now I can publish. Now, I'm not going to publish this, but as you can see here, here's their options to publish. Now, once it's published, that's when it goes to the community. So as I tap on the community option, you'll see here there are other community projects here. This is just a way for them, once they've created their content, they can share it with others. And they can also learn from others. And you see here they have coding, and in the top left, they also have Minecraft community projects. All right. And that is how you can create with Tynker. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us by clicking on the links below in the description.